Imagine finishing assignments in half the time, creating presentations in minutes, and studying smarter instead of harder. I tested dozens of AI tools, and these are the 10 that every college student should know in 2026. Let's get started. Let's start with the AI tool almost everyone has heard of, but very few people use to its full potential. ChatGPT. Most people think it's just another chatbot. It's not. Imagine applying for an internship and needing a professional resume summary. Instead of spending hours trying to write the perfect paragraph, just describe your skills. And ChatGPT can create a polished version in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. Need a quick image for a presentation, social media post, or creative project? Just describe what you want, and ChatGPT can generate it for you. Whether you're studying, building your resume, or bringing your ideas to life, ChatGPT is like having a personal AI assistant available 24/7. Up next, we have 11 Labs. If you've ever wanted professional voiceovers without buying an expensive microphone, this tool is amazing. Simply paste your script, choose a voice, and 11 Labs generates realistic speech within seconds. Look,
What if I told you this voice wasn't recorded by a human? It's completely AI generated. This is 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators available today.
up next, we have Fathom, an AI tool that feels like having your own personal note-taking assistant. Ever been in an online class or meeting where you're so busy writing notes that you miss what's actually being discussed? That's exactly where Fathom comes in. It automatically records your meetings, generates clear summaries, highlights the important moments, and organizes everything for you. Whether it's an internship meeting, a project discussion, or an online lecture, Fathom lets you stay focused on the conversation while the AI takes care of the notes. It's simple, time-saving, and once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next tool is Gamma. If you've ever spent hours making PowerPoint presentations, you're going to love Gamma. Instead of creating slides one by one, simply describe your topic. Within minutes, Gamma generates a professional presentation complete with layouts, images, and structured content. You can then customize the colors, themes, and text however you like. Whether it's a classroom presentation, seminar, project review, or internship presentation, Gamma can dramatically reduce the time you spend designing slides. Just remember to review the content before presenting, so everything is accurate and matches your requirements. Next tool is Google Gemini, which has become one of the strongest AI assistants available today. It's excellent for brainstorming ideas, generating content, solving problems, and answering questions. Students can use it for project ideas, coding assistance, essay outlines, learning new concepts, and much more. Because it's integrated into Google's ecosystem, it works well with many Google services, making it convenient for everyday use. It's definitely a tool every student should explore. Up next is GenSpark, and this might be one of the smartest AI tools on this list. Instead of opening 10 different websites to plan a trip, compare information, or do research, GenSpark brings everything together in one place. For example, here I'm asking it to create a 7-day travel plan for Japan. Within seconds, it generates a complete day-by-day itinerary with places to visit, activities, and useful recommendations. Whether you're planning a vacation, researching a topic, or organizing a project, GenSpark does the heavy lifting and presents everything in a clean, easy-to-follow format. It's like having a personal researcher, planner, and assistant, all in one tool. The next tool is Napkin. Have you ever had a great idea but didn't know how to present it visually? That's where Napkin comes in. You simply write your ideas, and Napkin automatically converts them into clean visual diagrams and flowcharts. This is extremely useful for explaining project workflows, software architectures, business processes, and mind maps. Instead of drawing diagrams manually, Napkin does the hard work for you. It makes your reports and presentations look much more professional. Up next is one of Google's most underrated AI tools, Notebook LM. If you study from PDFs, lecture notes, research papers, or textbooks, this tool is a game changer. Simply upload your study material, and Notebook LM analyzes it for you. You can then ask questions, and it answers based only on your uploaded documents, so you're getting information from your own notes instead of random websites. But that's not all. It can summarize lengthy chapters, explain difficult concepts in simple language, generate quizzes, create study guides, and even turn your notes into interactive mind maps, making it much easier to understand and connect different topics. It can also generate podcast style audio summaries in supported regions, so you can learn even while you're on the go. If you're preparing for semester exams, Notebook LM can save you hours of study time and make revision much more efficient. Up next is OpenCode, an AI tool built for developers and anyone learning to code. Instead of spending hours writing code from scratch, you can simply describe what you want to build. In this example, I asked it to create a modern, responsive landing page. Within moments, OpenCode generated the complete code and even built a working website that I could preview instantly. Whether you're creating portfolio websites, college projects, or just learning web development, OpenCode can help you build faster, fix errors, and turn your ideas into working applications, all with simple prompts. And finally, we have Perplexity, the AI tool I use when I want answers based on what's happening right now. Instead of searching through countless websites, I simply asked it to summarize this week's latest AI news in simple words. Within seconds, it searched the web, gathered the latest updates from multiple trusted sources, and turned them into a short, easy-to-read summary. And that's a wrap. Those were my top 10 free AI tools that can help you study smarter, save time, and be more productive in 2026. You don't have to use all of them. Even if you start with just 2 or 3, they can make a huge difference in your daily workflow. If you found at least one tool useful, consider subscribing because I'll be testing and sharing more free AI tools, websites, and productivity hacks that actually save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.